So how many times can you keep repeating the dental filling on the same tooth? The question is, it really depends on whether you have any type of damage that has been created on the tooth when a filling gets replaced. Can you replace a filling 10 different times as long as the tooth has not been damaged from the existing filling? Yeah, sure, you can do it. However, you may have gotten a filling the first time. Let's say you got a filling about 3 years ago, and then you did not go to see the dentist, and then the tooth had some cavity that has the filling has been leaking, and you got some big cavity underneath. You may be at this point, like, the dentist may not be able to even salvage the tooth. So that means, you may not even get the second time filling on that tooth. So the question becomes not just that how many times you get the filling. It depends on when you got the filling, whether you've been taking good care of that tooth, whether you've been visiting your dentist on a regular basis to take care of your teeth, whether you're doing the home care properly, the brushing and flossing, and how big is the filling. And so there are a variety of factors that's going to determine whether a filling can be repeated on the same tooth, either for the first time, the second time, or it could be the 10th time.